Question for websites: the common name on the server key ring must match which one of the following? Option A: the DNS name. Option B: the name of the Domino administrator. Option C: it must match only the actual Domino server name. Option D: the database name or HTML page that will be the website's homepage. The correct answer is option A. Question: which one of the following statements regarding the certificate authority, CA, is true? Option A: the CA issues Lotus Notes certificates only. Option B: the CA issues Internet certificates only. Option C: access to the certifier ID must be granted. Option D: the CA issues both Lotus Notes and Internet certificates. The correct answer is option D. Question: the Domino administrator wishes to use certificate revocation lists, CRL, for Internet certificate authentication. Which one of the following is required to make this function correctly? Option A: the server must be running EASE. Option B: the server must be running the CRL task. Option C: the server must be using a Domino ICL database for certificates. Option D: the server must be using a Domino server-based certification authority for issuing Internet certificates. The correct answer is option D. Question: Barbara wishes to migrate her company's notes certifier to the new certificate authority process. She has chosen to encrypt the certifier ID with the server ID. Which one of the following Domino server console commands must be issued next? Option A: load unlock CA file. Option B: load CA password unlock. Option C: tell CA activate password. Option D: tell CA unlock it via password.
Maybe you're in Australia.
The correct answer is option C.